Hi guys, today me and Cody decided to go to, what country are we going to?
Canada.
Yeah, we were just sitting at home bored and I'm like, let's go to Canada. They're gonna go to a water park, maybe a playground, maybe go downtown, who knows. But Cody, are you excited to go to Canada?
Yes.
We're at the border right now, but our first stop is Tim Hortons Coffee, obviously. So yeah, we're at the border. It's not too busy right now. There was like a ICE agent blockade, but we got through there, obviously. So we're heading to the border now. All right, we made it to Tim Hortons. It's my first time ever being here. Cody, are you excited to try Tim Hortons coffee? Cody, are you excited to try it? What are you gonna get? What are you gonna get?
A chocolate cappuccino.
Okay. So I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to order. I got a vanilla cold brew. Cody got a donut. How's your donut?
Good.
Good? And then the farmer sausage wrap. Give it a... No, I need to open it.
Look at that. Look at white part.
Is it good? All right, we made it to the Newton Recreation Center. It's a wave pool. Cody, are you gonna go on the wave pool and the water slides? The building's old, but it looks nice on the inside. Are you gonna go on the water slides? Sure. Okay, so open swim is in 20 minutes. So Cody's playing outside. We got 19 minutes to kill until open swim. And the open swim here is only like $4.85 Canadian. Like, that's so cheap. Like, literally, to go swimming anywhere where we live, which I mean, it's not very far, it's like 15 bucks minimum for a smaller pool. So there's two water slides, and you can see the wave pool is going. And over here is like a kid play area. It was $8 for both of us plus the locker rental. All right, so we just left the swimming pool. We had so much fun. Now we're at Spaghetti Factory, gonna get dinner. So there's the old Spaghetti Factory. I'm gonna get Mazithra. Cody, what are you gonna get for dinner?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese, yum. It's not very busy in here. It's nice. Cody, what are you gonna get? The best part about the Spaghetti Factory is you get like a 3-course meal. You start with salad, then you get your entree, and then after that you get ice cream. Oh, look how good this garlic cheese toast looks. So I got the garlic and brown butter Mazithra, which is not the same as in the States. You have bacon and mushrooms in the US. And Cody got chicken strips. Okay, Cody got his spumoni. I got my spumoni, which is the best. It's like pistachio, chocolate, and vanilla. All right, Spaghetti Factory, huge success, super yummy. Cody, did you have a good day today?
Yes.
What was your favorite part of the day?
Good.
What was your favorite part of the day?
Yay.
The water park?
Water park.
What did you have for dinner?
Spaghetti Factory.
Was it good? And what kind of ice cream did you get?
Chocolate.
And spumoni, chocolate, pistachio, and vanilla. So anyways, guys, it's been a long time since I've done a short little vlog, but me and Cody had a fun time in Canada, and we are heading home now, back to the good old United States of America, home of the Eagle, and home of the gold medal women's hockey team. But thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. And what do you want to say, Cody?
Thank you.
Say bye.
Oh boy. Bye.
Bye-bye.